All right, so I made a lesson on 2 days ago. I made a lesson on some licks you should apply in your worship section or even in your normal improvisation. Any improvisation you come across, okay, that's going to sound better. And I believe many of you watched it, many of you commented, and I really appreciate that. Okay, for today, we're going to be doing the breakdown. Like I said, I'm going to do the breakdown. I'm going to show you how you can apply those licks into replaying, make it sound nice and sound awesome. So here we are today. Pick up your guitar and let's go. Okay. So first, make sure you have your guitar tuned in the standard tuning, because mine is on the standard tuning always. Okay. So secondly, the second thing you have to do is learn your major scale, practice your major scale all over the fretboard. Okay. Like I always say, when you learn your major scale, you have a high chances of improvising very well. Okay. So I want us to use the chord progression of the 1, 5, 6, 4. That's do, sol, la. Many of you know songs that could, many of you know songs that come in such progressions like that. So you can just maybe just sing it as well while you're, playing. Okay, so now just see how you're gonna sound. The lick's gonna sound in the progression. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay. That's the state lead I will show you. So that's how you can apply them. Okay. Now this is the 4 lick I show you. Now see how I'm applying the last lick I showed you in that video. Okay, now you see how the whole thing fit in, the whole thing comes in. So now, like this 4th one I showed you. Okay, like I said, it actually when you are, trying to end the progression, that is where you come in. Okay, that's where you come in. So I want you to sit tight. Okay, if you want the audio, okay, the chord progression, I can send it for you. Just comment, send it for me. Okay, in the comment section, I'm going to send the audio for you. So while you plug it in your appliances and figure it out, let's try to see how you can, practice that on your own, improvise it on your own. Now you can extend, maybe you can put it on the loop while it plays often. So with that, you can, I don't want to loop it and I don't want to make the video more longer than this. Okay, that's why I just want to stop there now. So now from the little ideas I've showed you how you can apply it now, it's just for you to, like that place I played. Now this place can come in when you are going to your 5 chord, that is saw chord. You can play. Now when you are coming to a you can say play. La. Now when you are going to, you can play now. Anyone, okay? So all you just have to do is to play the audio, loop it, play it repeatedly, and see how you can, figure the lyrics out and understand it. Now you can also apply that in maybe any gospel song, any keys as well, any song you might find yourself. Just how you can apply that and put it into practice. Okay. All right. So for many of you that didn't watch the first video I made on the leaks, I will highly recommend you hit on the comment section, so I send the link for you, so you go and watch the leaks at first. With that, you'll be able to have a clear understanding of how you can apply them into your replaying. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I drop interesting video like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.